In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this semi-transparent material by mixing transparent and emission nodes. This is how the scene looks like. The base mesh was a rotated cylinder, and there are 4 modifiers added. Here are the modifiers, and I'll go into the details later in the video. Let's create a cylinder and type R, Y, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the Y axis. We won't need the side faces. Let's create a cylinder and rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. We need to rotate it like this, and in edit mode right-click and type S to subdivide it multiple times like this. The idea is to create an X shape by removing certain faces on the plane. Control I, as in India, to invert the selection and remove them. I'll show you how to knife project while only using the meshes. Select the target mesh, go to edit mode, and select the source mesh in the outliner. If the cut-through feature doesn't work, undo and try again. Let's add the modifiers. Select the mesh and press Ctrl A to reset all transforms. I'll show you the material details. There are two nodes being mixed, and their overall appearances are being controlled by the layer weight node. Please experiment by changing the settings to get the best looking result. Here are my composite node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.